Hey guys, it's Lily, and welcome back to another quick little tutorial video. And in this video, I'm going to be helping you with how to make your TikTok account public. So let's get started right away. So I've got TikTok open here, and I'm going to press on the profile button on the bottom right here. As you can see, this is my profile. Then I'll tap on these three lines at the top right hand side of the screen and then go over to Settings and Privacy, and tap on Privacy. And then the first option under Discoverability would be to toggle on or off the private account feature. With something like a private account, only people you allow can follow you and see your videos and likes, so, simply, this helps to set whether you want a private or public account, so now you can toggle it on if you just want a private account. But clearly, you're watching this video because you want a public account, and if this was set to private, you can toggle it off, so it will show you a warning. And then hit confirm to change it to public, and make sure you understand that now anyone can see your videos and comment on them, and things of that nature. Well, that's it. If you just want a public account, simply turn this one off. And when you feel like you want to make your account private, simply toggle this back on if you want to. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments section below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for similar content like this one. Thanks for watching.